Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, I'll try to design this monogram or maybe logo which represents any sort of educational institution. I'll design this by using all of the type tool and maybe some of the related type tool. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is what I have already designed, my friend. The first step that I'm going to do is that I have already locked that. So what I want to do this time is that select that and select that, decrease the opacity of that. This is what I have already done. This is something that I want to make you understand that how can I do the things like. So I have selected that, decrease the opacity of that. Make sure to go for object, go for lock and lock the selection. So I have locked that. The reason I have locked that because this is not going to be disturbing while I'm designing this monograph. So what I have to do in the first step is that to take the ellipse tool or maybe shape and draw that out. Make sure to remove the fill color from that and we've got this. So what I have to do this time is that make sure to click on type tool and make sure to select that and click there. Type on a path tool, click there. So we have got this option. So what I have to do this time to increase the size of that little bit, and what I have to do this time to type the creator school system. What I have to do this time to type that. So what I have to do, the creator school system. So I have typed that. Make sure to select that by double clicking on it and increase the size of that so that all of the area will be filled. So what I have to do this time, make sure to select that and we've got this option, sort of option through which you can rotate that and play with that. See, that works. And furthermore, you can work on it. You can also work on it and then move that and you're good to go. See, so we have almost done that. The creator school system. This was the option which I have taught you in the previous tutorial. Type on a path tool. This is the specific function and the specific work of that. Let me do another work. So secondly, what I have to do is that to take out the sort of a blue ellipse and draw that out there. Make sure to stand in the center and draw that out. And this time try to fill that color inside that of the shape. And this time what I have to do, make sure to take the copy of this sort of text like a creator school system by holding the control and the command button and press C button. And if you want to paste it out on the same place, make sure to press the control or the command button and press F button so that to paste it on the same thing that you have copied. And this time you can see that I have taken that. So this time what I have to do, make sure to select that. After selecting that, or maybe just delete some of the words. I have deleted that. And this time maybe I have to move that there. Select that, make sure to double click on type on path, make sure to preview that, go for this option. All of these options I have taught you already in the previous tutorials. So what I have to do this time, bring that to sort of a center and flip that. See, that works. And this time hit OK. Make sure to select that, type. This time make sure to type this area like creator. Creator. Make sure to select that and move that there. See, Make sure to select that and move that there. Rotate that. You can also rotate that. That does not matter. Try to move that there and put it there. So that is how the things are working like. Try to put it there. So we have got two stars there, which I'll be working on it later on, or maybe now. So let's try to go and change the font style of that. Maybe apply this sort of let's try to go for some sort of attractive font style. Make sure to apply that. After applying that, you can apply the color inside that of the text, like clicking on it, and just try to apply this. And I think the font style is also being applied. Make sure to select that and decrease a little bit the size of that, and this time go for stars. Where can I find the star? Make sure to select the star and draw that out there. Make sure to select that and decrease a little bit the size of that and move it there so that it will be balanced. Try to increase the size of that a little bit. Make sure to select that and decrease the size of that little more so that the star will be fit there so much properly. Move it there a little more. Increase the size of the star. Take the copy of that by holding the Alt button and put it there at the bottom a little more. So this time you must observe that we have got sort of stars there. What I need to do this time to select that and make sure to select this color there and apply that there. See, that works. And this time you can move that furthermore or select that and increase the size of that, because I have taken that. Make sure to little more increase the size of that and move that there little more. Increase the size of that furthermore like this. Select that. Well, that will need some sort of patience and you have to work on it. So we are done now, I think. So we are almost done that. So we have to design this time the logo that is present inside that of the shape. Let me just draw that. Control C, or maybe holding the control or the command button and F. Make it bigger a little more. Just try to apply the color inside that of the shape. Apply just black color inside that of the shape. So we are done almost. Just decrease the size of that a little more. I think we have missed one thing, like school system. Where is the system? Well, we have missed that out. Yes, there's system. Let me decrease the size of that of the shape a little more, and now we are good to go. Well, this time we have to design that of the logo, or maybe that of the book or whatever is present there. Make sure to click on ellipse tool. Make sure to zoom it in a little more because this is already locked. Try to draw that out. Make sure to take pen tool, click there, and then click there, drag it there. So that must consume some of the time. Click there. Make sure to select these two, increase the size of that, and make sure to apply that. See, that works. That has worked almost. Increase the size of that. See, that works. Select these three, right click, make sure to go for transform, reflect, take the copy of that, move that at the right side. See, that works. There must be a little bit difference, however we'll try to ignore that out. Make sure to click on pen tool, click there, minus that there, and draw that out. Make sure to select that, go for this option, increase the size a little more. We're good to go. Make sure to apply the color inside that of the shape, white color. Select these all and try to apply white color inside that of the shape. See, these are working now. So we are almost done. Try to take that, hold the control or the command button, press G button in order to group that out. So we have grouped that. Make sure to take these and put it there and decrease the size of that a little more. So what we have to do this time, select all of the things without the logo and group that out. And this time I think we have grouped all, so I don't need this logo to be grouped this time. For now, select these, and this time take that, select all of the things, make sure to use the align tool, horizontal align center, vertical align center. You're good to go. So this is what I have designed in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.